Hello WordPress bloggers, welcome to another Cyber Week deal from AdForest. This is for AdForest, the #1 selling classified ads WordPress theme currently on the market. It has an almost 5-star rating and it is currently on sale right now for $41, a savings of $28. Let's go over some of the features. It is integrated with WP Bakery, and you can also use Elementor for visual customization of your site. It is also the only theme that you can export to a native Android or iOS app. It is also one of the fastest theme available as a directory with some of the highest performance scores by Google PageSpeed and GTmetrix, and it has a wide variety of built-in pre-made themes that you can easily import into your classified ads website with a few clicks. So let's take a look at the demo. It features multi-vendor support to start something like Amazon or AliExpress with multiple sellers, and you can earn commissions off each sales. Here's an example of the AdForest multi-vendor support sub-theme that you can use or import into your theme right here. And again, this is like having your own Amazon or eBay or AliExpress marketplace with multiple sellers. So here's an example with different sellers right here and different offers, and you can have any currency options you want. And here are some other demos that you can, again, one click to import. Here's an example for a real estate classified ad, and let's take a look at one of these featured ad. Customized, very clean and professional looking with specific features like rent. Click to view the phone number or message the seller directly right there, and integrates with YouTube and Maps and a rating down here. Check out another demo. This is for services classified ads. Different categories. Here are some examples. Let's do mechanic, and again, the visitors can send a message and click to view the phone numbers, just like similar to Craigslist. And we got pictures, location, and the star rating for this seller or vendor. And here's one for a classified ads for selling mobile phones, and this is a different design featuring mobile brands, so a little bit different from the other classified ads designs. And here are the phone listings and sorted by different mobile brands, and then the blog post at the end. So overall, fantastic theme, very professional, almost perfect 5-star rating. This is the best classified ads WordPress theme on the market. Check it out, see the demo for yourself. Links below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe for more WordPress and internet marketing deals. Thanks again, and happy blogging.